Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you the real story behind the products that promise to simplify your life. And today, we're reviewing the best men's belt rack, the Resovo belt hanger for closet. Let's dive right into it. If you're someone who owns more than just 1 or 2 belts, say 5, 10, or even 20, you know the struggle. Belts get tangled, stuffed in drawers, or lost between shirts. This belt rack by Resovo might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. At first glance, this belt hanger has a clean, minimalist design. It's crafted from solid hardwood, not plastic or some cheap imitation. And that makes a big difference. This thing feels premium the moment you pick it up. The finish is smooth, polished, and gives off a sleek black aesthetic that matches most closet interiors. But let's talk about functionality. This rack isn't just a one-trick pony. Sure, it's built for belts, but it's also perfect for ties, scarves, tank tops, and more. It's got 14 hooks arranged in a double-sided layout, which means you can hang up to 42 belts, yes, 42 if you triple up on each hook. That's a serious amount of storage in a really compact form. And check this out, the top hook rotates 360 degrees. That means no matter how cramped your closet is, you can just spin the hanger around to access whatever you need. It saves space and makes browsing through your collection easy and even a little satisfying. What really impressed me is the strength and build quality. Each hook is sturdy and doesn't bend or warp under weight. I loaded it with leather belts, woven belts, and even a couple of bulky accessories just to test it, and it held up like a champ. The wooden frame didn't flex, and the hooks stayed firm. Now, let's talk about why this is a game changer for closet organization. If you're the type who has belts draped over doorknobs or stuffed into drawers, this gives you a clean, visual system. You can actually see your belts, match them with your outfit quickly, and put them back without any hassle. It adds that little touch of order to your daily routine. And if you're wondering about gifting, this is an easy win. It's thoughtful, practical, and surprisingly stylish. It makes a great gift for dads, husbands, or brothers, especially those who take pride in their wardrobe. In terms of pricing, the value is spot on. You're getting a solid wooden hanger with metal hooks, not some flimsy alternative. And it's built to last. This isn't something you'll be replacing after a few months. 1 unit is usually more than enough for most people, but if you're dealing with a real collection, a 2-pack is also available. So here's the final verdict. The Resovo belt hanger isn't flashy or high-tech, but it does one thing really, really well. It keeps your accessories organized and accessible. And in today's world, that kind of simplicity is worth a lot. If you're looking to upgrade your closet or just want to stop losing belts every other day, this might just be the best investment you make this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more no-fluff, honest reviews that help you shop smarter. We'll see you in the next video.